Hello, everyone. What is the average salary of a cleaner in Switzerland? The estimated average annual gross salary is $47,000. After tax, the average net salary is $39,950, or roughly $3,329 per month. In Zurich, the average annual gross salary is higher, at $50,760. The average net salary there is $43,146, or about $3,596 per month. This city pay can reflect higher living costs and strong demand. Experience and qualifications can also help cleaners earn more. Hospital, industrial, and window cleaning may pay differently from basic cleaning work. Night and weekend shifts may bring higher pay too. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.